Okay, so right now, um, what we will be doing right now is basically yung nagamit nating data kahapon, ilalagay na natin siya uh, to make it available sa may app. So basically ang gagawin natin, ang goal ko for today is create ng list, and inside that list is yung option kung ano yung mga sports or activities na pwedeng gawin or i-filter. So once na magawa natin yun, we're done for today. So baby steps, so mga small lang talaga, mga maliliit lang talaga ng mga task. So okay, let me share my screen right now. Okay, so ayan yung screen natin. Okay, so here nalagay na natin kung ano yung mga sports na natin, and we ensure na it's available also here in the app itself. And so here's the preview again. Here's the app data. So basically ito yung mga data ng app. So inside the activity name, we have here this 8 sports. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's 9 sports. Yeah. Okay. And then user, of course, ako lang muna. Ito, yeah, ilalagay ko siya mga map. I don't know. Wala pa kasi ako sa stage na yan. So basically, mag-build pa lang tayo ng foundation ng mismong app. Okay, so let's proceed. So ito yung gusto kong palitan. Choice chips. So this choice chips is inside what? A row. Anong pinagkaiba ng choice chips sa row? Choice chips. Okay. So choice chips. So this should be connected. Paano ba nagkaroon ng data yung choice chips na yan? Container. Yes, it has a container. Filter 1. Text. Oops, mali. This choice chips right here. Okay, so ito, makita natin naglagay siya ng mga data, but we are not going to use that one. This data, instead we are going to query collection, activity name, single document, confirm. Basically we have this data na. We can delete the data here. I think it's lost na, or it's not. I can see it. I can see it. I cannot see it. Where's the ito, the filter. Basically we'll have to delete those choice chips. Add option. Then basically this is based on page parameters, I guess. Activity name, document. Yep, correct. So activity, and then ayun lang default. How to use choice chips? How to use choice chips in Flutter Flow. Okay.
Today, I'm going to show you how to filter data using choice chips. So, I want to show category issue in your product, but documents look like that. The fields are set up like this. And also, this is what my documents look like in the Firebase. I am going to add one more document for reference, and first field is going to be name. Let's call this Great Hoodie and paste. Let's do hood into our. So first, for our third option, let's add t-shirt, shoe, and now I am going to create template page where I can cut out product container. Let's take a copy. Now let's remove this action. Then we can create backend query to the list view. We are going to add filter to this. Now select category. Array contains widget state and choice chips. Then click on create. Now let's bind value to this container. For text, choose products document and name. And for the image, choose image path. Okay, perfect. Now there's one more thing that we need to add to our choice chips. That is all filter. Our initial value will be all. And also turn on the require a selection. I forgot to set up all string to my documents. Okay, perfect. Then let's head back to our app. Now we can try our app. If this works well, we are going to change the order of the query using choice chips. Let's update everything in here and start the test. Okay, so in here is all of my documents. Now when I click this choice chip, it changes the query. Perfect. Okay, let's head back to our app and create the order by choice chips. Actually, okay, click this. Okay, test. Change the order. Here is all. Now we can categories to my document. A select initial I'll filter. Perfect. And choice. Add it in here. Let's flip this. Go aim to the apps. Our initial. We are going to test choice chips. Let's update everything in here and start the test. Let's head back to our app.
So basically, it's a manual input thing. Bam! So, in short, i-delete ko lahat ng ginawa natin ng data. I-delete natin siya. Hindi natin siya malalagay dito, bruv. So, okay. Ayan na, naglalag na naman yung aking laptop. Basically, this is a scrap. So basically, we'll scrap this one. I think he did not basically what he did was initially meron ng data yung bawat nasa array niya na yung kung ano man siya, kung nasan man siya naka-designate. Example, kung hoodie siya, meron siyang nakalagay sa array niya yung hoodie. So if ever nahanapin yung hoodie, makikita sa array niya, ilalabas yun dito. So basically parang ganun yung gagawin natin. Okay, so neto, choice chips shouldn't be just one. Basically hindi natin ito lalagyan ng activity name kasi hindi niya nilagyan eh.
Paste it in here.
Ayan.
Let's go with this one. Let's take a copy of this. Go back and paste it in here. Then we can delete this page Now let's remove this action. Let's one more issues. Do in your list of strings. Filter date. Nothing special. List of filtering. I'm going to add one more document hoodie. Paste it in here. This as array of strings, and in
Ayan, oh. Doon sa paglagay niya ng choice
let's
chips.
add our choice chip options.
Ayan.
So first option is hoodie. Our second option is cool hoodie. For our third option, then we can add what looks better. Then we need to add list view. And now I am going to create template page where I can cut out product container. Let's go with this one. Let's take a copy of this.
Galing! Ang galing! May natutunan na naman ako, guys. So, oh my god, I have to delete this fucking shits na. I don't need this stuff. And this too. So, oh no. I deleted everything. I don't know. Is it the right thing to do? I don't know. Pero ang gagawin natin is kukuha tayo ng search bar. So ito na naman tayo. Hanap tayo hanap tayo ng magandang search bar. Home landing page. Kailangan natin umanap ng search bar. Magandang search bar. Nope. Use content already. Use list. I think. Hindi ito. Ayun. I think this one would work. Defaulting, wala tayong pakay. Create page. So, gawin natin, copy natin yung text field niya. Text field lang. Copy this one, and then maybe put it here, paste it. Yan. Oh, what the fuck? That's how easy it is, brother. Oh my god, so fucking basic, ha? And then ito, siyempre kailangan natin baguhin yung kulay. Usually kung gusto yung dapat white yan eh. White. Paano natin makita yung color na white? Okay, mali. Okay. Primary background is not gray. It should be white. Yan. It's fair. It's nice. Fucking nice. Okay, so we have here the search. Oh no, let's not search for patients. We don't do that here, ha? We don't do that here. Paano i-edit yung text ito? Basically, I'll delete this one already. Don't need it na, ha? Where's the text? Search for patient. No. Search for something to do. Yep. It's perfect. Search for something to do. Hey, what do you want to do today? Good morning. The fuck? That's fucking amazing. And then what we want is choice chips. Ha? Hindi. Nag-ano, yung laptop ko, yung MacBook, hinihingal. Then, what we're going to do is, create tayo na choice chips. Ginawa niya is, dilinag niya lang. I don't know how did he do it.
Look, choice chips into our column. Let's
Dinag niya into the column. Okay lang. Fair. Option 1 of course. Again. Basically do na. All. Option 2. Basketball. Option 3. Tennis. Badminton. I think this will be the cash cow, the badminton thing. Tapos add option. All. Allow multi-select. All. Option 3. Tennis. Wait lang, mali. Control C, Z, Z. Up until we show the all. And then basketball, badminton. Add option. Volleyball. Add option. Pickleball. Ayan, siguro okay na yan. Tapos, pwede ko ayusin yung itsura niya. Ayoko ng ganito. Sobrang niya. Bro, yan. That's more like it, ha? It's more like it. Primary color. We have primary color now. Let's not apply it muna here. Border radius, it's going to be higher. Of course, we have to put padding into it. Unselected chips, icon size, border. We should set it something like 3-ish. Yeah, it's fair and nice. Fair and nice, and then I think that's it. At least it's I think this make this smaller. The fuck? The fuck? Bam! Okay. Fucking growing. Marami tayong natututunan everyday. So, that's one good thing. We've progressed naman. Negative one, oh, it's previous one. Our choice chips is to nakadikit sa on the side, on the medyo middle. Left side should be about like 5. Yeah, it's like 5 or maybe same with this one, 16. Let's do 16. And then also this one is 16. Let's cut it right here. Maybe no. Let's not commit at 16. Let's do 12. Yan. Kasi ang pangit pagka sobrang pantay-pantay niya. Okay. Progress again. I think we've done great so far. The view is kind of fantastic naman na. Next steps is to input yung list dito ng basically ng app ay ng mga chords. But first, before we are able to do that, is kailangan muna natin makapag-input ng mga sample data ng mga facility para na-filter natin siya. Basically yun. Okay. Yeah. I think I have to change this app bar. Kailangan maghanap ng maganda-gandang app bar kasi it's too ugly. Okay. Thanks self. Wow. Ang ganda ng transition. Ay, tama yan. Babe.
Hindi ko nakita.
Sapeta sa'yo. Ito kasi yung app ko. Ayan. Papalan ko yung app bar ko. Tapos ito yung ito yung kung paano ko siya nare-record. Ayan yung itsura. Tapos pagka wow, hello. So babalik tayo pagka mag-tutorial ulit tayo. Woo! Ito ako.
Vlogger!
Wow!
Isa ka namang, alam mo yun, ganyan yung mga Indian. The database is
Wow! Galing mo
Indian,
yan, nakikita niyo.
tutorial.
Okay, sige. Bye guys. Bye self. Thank you.